In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create easy lower thirds animations in Canva. Lower thirds are those clean labels that appear near the bottom of your video to introduce a person, topic, or call out. We'll build a simple, modern version using Canva so you can drop it into any project. Start by opening a video template in Canva. A standard 1920 by 1080 canvas works great. With your canvas ready, head to the Elements tab and search for a background. I'm using a nature image for contrast, but any background that suits your brand is fine. Add the image to the canvas and set it as the background so it fills the entire frame. This gives your lower third something to sit on while you design and preview the motion. Now, in Elements, search for glass morphism. These are semi-transparent, frosted-style shapes that look great over footage. Insert a glass morphism element, resize it to form a slim banner that spans part of the lower third of the screen and reposition it near the bottom. Keep it above the safe margin so it doesn't get cropped by different screens. Go back to Elements and add a subject image that complements your topic. For example, I'm using a goose here. Resize it and place it so it feels anchored to the banner while still being visible. Think of it as a small accent that adds personality without stealing the show. Next, add your text. Click Text, choose, add a heading, and type your phrase. Change the font to something bold and readable. Anton works nicely. And set the font color to white for strong contrast. Click Effects and choose Lift to give the text subtle depth. Resize the text, then align and center it over the glass morphism banner so it looks intentional and balanced. Time to animate. Select the glass morphism layer and click Animate. Choose the pop animation for a friendly, energetic entrance and adjust the speed so it feels quick but not jarring. Select the text and add an animation as well, then tune the speed or intensity to match the banner. Finally, select the subject image and give it a simple animation too, keeping it subtle so the text remains the star. To add polish, delay the entry of the text slightly from the bottom so the banner appears first, then the words. In the timeline, stagger the start times to create a clean, layered reveal. Click Preview to watch everything together. Check legibility, pacing, and placement. If it's crisp, consistent, and easy to read, you've just built an effective lower third in Canva. Nice work!